Alright, so task is today, you see my dad's trailer, right? Full of stuff, right? And then you see my trailer. But you look over here, my trailer, it's still got those 2 cars on it. The plan is today is to load my trailer up with as much stuff as possible, so that way we can optimize the week or next week for myself going to get ready for Sunday. Because how we do it is we load up Wednesday, Thursday, Fridays, and then we leave Sundays when we're like, you know, home for a week or so. That's how we load ourselves up. So Sunday we're both going to be leaving. I think he's going up to Minnesota. No, he's going up to Massachusetts. And I'm going to be going to Minnesota. Little pops right there. I don't know what's going on with him. I think he's a little tired. When you get home, you kind of get a little lazy, I would call it, because it's like when you're on the road, as much as people think that, okay, y'all just work from a 9 to 5 type of situation from when you start driving to when you stop driving, it doesn't work like that. When you're on the road, man, especially when you own your own company, you're working 24/7. Even when you're off the clock, you're still working, you're still thinking about work. I gotta go do this, I gotta go do that, I gotta do this, I gotta make sure this is in order. We gotta do all that. When we on the road, we're working 24/7. When we come home, as much as we need to be working, which we do, sometimes you get a little laziness because you want to chill, you want to relax, you want to feel normal, but at the end of the day, we're not normal. Why in my truck? If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out the coldest water, up to 36 hours of cold water.
Over here choking in. They would get a ticket for that, you jackass. What was you thinking?
Yeah, ain't shit sweet, ain't shit funny. Look, it's blue tints on my hundreds. Life been going how I want it, yeah. Life been lit just how I want it, yeah. Now she talking like she want me, yeah. Ayy, wave. Look, life been lit just how I want it.
Fuck, I look like stressing. I be finessing. Dolo in my section. Built like a blessing. Fuck, I look like stressing. I be finessing. Got my muscle flexing. My money stretching.
Yeah, ain't shit sweet, ain't shit funny. It's blue tints.
Alright, so we're out here right now waiting on the guys to come out here so they can load us up. I just showed you guys basically all the dimensions of the trailer. So we have 40 feet of space, 35 feet of deck space, 5 feet of ramp space, correct? Also with an 8-foot width deck, okay? So we have 8 foot wide and 40 feet long, all right? That's how much space that we got to play with.
You don't like her job today.
I don't like my job.
And she says it's hot.
Yep, we don't have no more water.
Pops! Partial King.
Chilling, man. Chilling while making money.
Chilling while making money. That
together, family.
Relaxed side of the job.
Show them the what?
Relaxed side of the job.
Everything ain't work seriously, man. We're chilling right now, yo. We're chilling. Waiting on a load. All right? This is the end of the week. What's today, Thursday? Today, Thursday. We're just trying to load up the trailers for, delivery next week. This is typically what we do. We load up Thursdays and Fridays, $3,000-4,000 going one way. And we're gonna deliver this sucker Monday, Tuesday. We're gonna load back up again Tuesday and Wednesday, $3,000-4,000. We're gonna deliver Thursday, Friday. $8,000 weeks. That's what we do, because that's what we do. We hustlers, all right?
Was it Game of Thrones?
What?
What movie were we watching when they brought, oh, it was Game of Thrones, when they brought the Night Walker to Cersei's?
Uh-huh.
What if it was a Night Walker in here?
Well, the tank wasn't that big.
It wasn't that big.
It wasn't that big.
But I'm just saying.
Yeah, he carried it in his back, right?
Yeah. Whole door, right? Whole door.
Yeah.
Whole door.
No, Holder didn't carry it.
He didn't?
Uh-uh.
He was a soldier.
It was,
His brother.
yeah. What's his name?
Look, this is the most important tool in your truck. Little $10, $15 tape measure. The most important tool in your truck. Good for me.
Hard to feel out here in the sun, don't we?
That's why we're in the shade.
Huh?
You said what?
Working hard for that bonus, huh?
Always.
Mm-hmm. See, she don't just work out here for free, you know. I pay her. I pay her pretty well. Which? Man, you so goofy, man. For the what?
You got stuck again?
You got a hard head, bro. You got a hard head, bro. Oh, you can make me look and you can grab the damn thing. Alright?
You talking about you got change, right?
I gave you all my change, bro.
You ain't even got no change, man. They all short. You ain't got no real change. And you had the audacity to make fun of my inventory? You ain't even got no change. It's a lot of stress, man. It's a lot of stress. Huh? It's hot. Just bear it, man. See? It's not hot, man. Y'all the ones decided to wear black. Not me.
I have on gray.
Gray and black. Y'all decided to wear that.
You have on
You ordered the shirts?
Huh?
You ordered the shirts?
Yeah, I ordered them. Oh, I didn't order them? Oh. I wanted us to drop off some money before I ordered them. Nah, man, $400 or $5 for some shirts. That shit started to make me feel some type of way, yo.
No. I spent, what, $500 this is for GPS.
Exactly. So I was like, let's go drop off some money first. We'll be all right. We about to get these blue. Look, I'm gonna get blue shirts, and we about to go into winter anyway.
Yeah, why your shit don't look like you're about to slip up, man?
Let me go show y'all why they call us the partial kings. I mean, it's mainly my dad. All right, don't. It's not really me. I'm just Bennii. He's really the partial king. But let me show y'all why. All right, so check this out. We got 2,000. All right. We got another 2,000. A 4,000 right there. Both of these are going 1,400 something miles. All right. Same direction, same area. Look in the back of our trailer. I know I'm walking like I'm cool because I know what I'm talking about, because I do know what I'm talking about. Look at that trailer right there. How many feet of space you think we got back there? From about right there to here, that's 10 feet. Right? So about right here, you can say we got about, that's about a good, I'd say it's about a good 17. That's about a good 16, 17 feet right there. I think about 17 feet. I'm gonna say 17 feet right there. So we got about 17 feet of space to play with. 4,000 already on the trailer. We got a load we picking up tomorrow. That load's only gonna take up this amount of space. It's only gonna take up this side. Then guess what? We still got about 17 feet of space to play with, and now we have about 6 feet wide to play with. You see the magic? That's where the magic started getting fun. So we already done filled up the first half of the trailer with 4,000. We could really go up the road and go make our week. We up the road with 4,000. We drop off. We made our 4,000. 4,000 divided by 1,400. If you smart, drop it in the comments. Or if you got your calculator on board, do it in the comments. I can't do it on the fly right now, but I know that's a good RPM. Adding whatever we're gonna add tomorrow, that's an even better RPM. So this is our anchor load. It's 2 anchor loads making 1 anchor load. Anchor load is basically the load that's gonna secure you for your week. Everything else is extra money. That's icing on the cake. Partial cane, baby.
This thing probably weigh 200 pounds. Paying 1,600 bucks. And the other one probably weigh another 300-400 pounds, paying 1,500. One going to New York, one going to Massachusetts. 1 pick, 2 drop.
Ain't that hot?
Why it's hot?
It's hot.
It's this shirt, man.
You get that sweat, burn that collar, you know, man.
Yeah.
What you talking about, man? Young blood, you know what I mean? I gained a little bit of weight from this trucking thing, but I'm still young, man. You know what I mean? I still do this.
That clock is not hot.
It ain't hot.
Okay.
It's just weather. That's it.
Okay. You got it.
The Lord built us with this beautiful, beautiful melanin. Melanin. I can never pronounce that right. Melanin. He blessed us with this so we can withstand this heat. You know what I mean? Yo, man, I don't know why you can't hear me through the phone, man. Yo, yeah. Why you say that? What happened? Are you serious? Dang. Yeah. Not that bad. I think we'll push through it.
Nah, you gotta just drive to that shit, you know what I mean? But that's all I mean, you could hardly see, right, for a minute there. But it was just, I'm gonna fucking have to wait like, oh.
Man.
Sound any better already?
Yeah, I think it's supposed to be raining at, I think it's still raining at the house.
Nah, damn, I can't open the yard.
Yeah, you got a lot of weight on you, right? No, you don't. I mean, access you do, right?
No, I was about to say, but if it's raining, then I mean, I got in the other day, but it wasn't raining. It had finished raining already.
Yeah.
I would like to get in the yard, though. I only got like, what I got on it? I only got like 10,000 pounds on it.
Yeah, you probably can make it in the yard.
Maybe, I hope so. It would be nice. But if not, I'm just leaving it down the hill, man. I ain't even trying to fight it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I ain't even trying to fight it. That's the way the world works, man. It's almost home and boom.
Right?
What's today? Thursday?
It's been scorching hot all day. Now you want to rain?
Yeah.
Hey, yo,
Still need to find your little bird.
Counting these commas, we run it up. All of these hoes that won't come with us. Sipping that dirty, she getting real sloppy. Staying high, now she living the dreams. On the pants, Magellan on me. Jolly Ranchers mixed it up with the lean. Johnny Dang, all my diamonds on fleek. Pop me a perk and she think I'm a geek. Hot in that land while you looking at me. Counting this money, you ain't on my team. Setting a plot, we running through schemes. Hundreds on hundreds on hundreds, I want me a million. I ain't gon' stop till I'm rich. Getting this money like Money Mitch. Promise again that I never switch. Yeah.